Hi everyone, I'm Jim with Jim's Plumbing Now. Today we are out at a leak repair job with Larry, one of our experienced licensed plumbers here at Jim's Plumbing Now. And we're going to walk you through the process of repairing a leak below the slab. So this leak was located right off of the homeowner's garage in their laundry room. So we're going to perform what is called an interior breakout repair. An interior breakout consists of excavating through the home's foundation to access the source of the leak directly. Now, this is a pretty messy job and can be disruptive to the homeowner. Luckily, since the leak was located in the laundry room by the garage, we were able to stay out of the homeowner's way and get the job done. So the first step of an interior breakout repair is excavating through the home slab. As you can see here, the excavation team starts by using a jackhammer to break down that concrete foundation and shovel it out bit by bit. The deeper they go, the more water you'll notice as pulling underneath the foundation because of the leak that has occurred. Once they've dug deep enough to reach the leak source, it's time for Larry to come in, inspect the leak, and start repairing. In this clip here, you can see that the tiny stream of water coming from the copper piping. That is our first leak. So Larry's going to cut right underneath where the pinhole leak is and also near the top of the piping to remove the defective plumbing that was causing the leak. He's then going to sand the edges of the plumbing where the new piping will fit to allow for better adhesion of the new piping to the old. Then it's time to install the new plumbing where the defective plumbing used to be. Now, Larry's going to turn back on both the hot and cold water to test the line he just repaired. And unfortunately, there was a second leak below the spot Larry just repaired. It's important to note that we aren't able to test the system or locate the second leak until the first leak detected is fixed. This is why constant testing after each repair is necessary to make sure that there are no other leaks along the system. Fortunately, on this project, the second leak is closely located to the first leak. So Larry is removing the newly installed pipe and refitting a longer pipe to replace the entire defective section of piping. After Larry's completed this process again, he'll turn back on the hot and cold water, and things are looking good. Later, the excavation team will return to place back all the dirt that was removed, hand tamper the soil, and pour back new concrete with rebar to grade. Thanks so much for watching today. Please like this video and subscribe to our page. We'd love to teach you more about plumbing and give you some plumbing tips. Thank you. Jim out.